Hi everybody, Zev Braun here with Dominic Fontaine Associates, and I'm in front of 1343 Andrews Street Northwest, Hartville, Ohio, 44632. And I'm really excited to talk about this one. So it's a super unique, kind of best of both worlds. So you're sitting on just under 1.5 acres, ranch home. It's got combined living square foot of 2,700 square feet. So you got a lot of finished space. And what really makes this one unique and so special is you have over here off to the side a separate drive, and it leads to a walkout basement that's ground level. And what it features is a full kitchen, eating kitchen, living room with a gas fireplace, a room, full finished bathroom. And then on the first floor, you got about 1,800 square feet of living space, 2 full bathrooms, 3 bedrooms, and it's just awesome, guys. You guys got to come check it out, see what it has to offer. 3-car garage here, over here behind my head. So if you want to find out a little bit more, want to come check it out, give me a call or text at 330-933-3258. Thanks.